already know I'm here and shit. I gotta talk to you. I'll tell you another story, right? A little more about me. The more y'all listen, the more y'all learn. This is the life lessons, and I'm on that shit like this. So my mama told me stay in school, you gon' shine, boy. But I ain't listen. I was on a mission, just a young boy, chasing the bitches, thinking the money, smoking weed, said fuck school. I told my mom I'm making, that's exactly what I do. Cause I can't deal with all this shit.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Playzone here, and I'm back with another one. Just today I'm gonna be doing it a little different. I'm not doing a prank. I'm not doing a challenge. I'm not doing a review. Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make some homemade lasagna. Yeah, I know that's different. And well, let's get right into it, and let me show y'all what I got here. All right, first off, we got some ground beef. Boom. Big pack. I like to make a lot of leftovers. We got some Kobe Jack shredded cheese. We got some lasagna, ShopRite brand. You know we gotta keep it cheap. We got some cottage cheese, ShopRite brand as well. Gotta keep it cheap. We got the spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce, flavored with meat. Other than that, we got a little bit of salt. Then I'll be seasoning the meat with some adobo, some onion powder, some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, and you know we can't forget about the sazon. Other than that, that's about it. It's pretty cheap, not too expensive, but let's get right into it. So alright guys, I got the ground meat right here. Bang, bang, bang. Now I'm going to let this heat up a little bit. While this heats up, I'm going to add some water right here to the lasagna. Alright. Just enough water to make sure they cover. We're back at the stove. Bang. Get that all to fit under there. And I'm just going to add some salt so they don't stick together. Not for flavor or anything, just so they don't stick. Now I'm going to go back to the meat. Excuse me if it's not the best quality, guys. First cooking vlog. First, we got some adobo. We're going to hit it with some adobo. Bang, bang. I usually don't be afraid to add it because, you know, that kind of meat, as it cooks, it dissolves out of it. Next, I'm going to hit it with some onion powder. Bang. All-purpose seasoning. Bang. Some garlic powder. Yeah, I know. It looks all seasoned up. But I tell you, it's going to be good. Next, last but not least, some sazon. Hold on, let me open this pack. Bang, bang. And we're going to mix it up. Get it all in the meat. Get it all tasting good. Alright guys, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. So I'm going to get back to you when this is a little more done. I forgot to turn on the pasta, but we'll get there. And I'll be back. Alright everybody, I'm back. The meat's looking good now. Just got to drain it out. The lasagna is starting to boil, but it's taking kind of long because the pot's so big. A lot of water to heat up. This, I'm going to drain it into this pot that I have here. And then after I drain it, I'm going to add the cottage cheese and some sauce to it to make the meat like a chili or something, like a nice sauce meat. So I'm gonna start draining this. Oh, it's kind of hot. Grab a rag. All right. It's a little hard with one hand. Oh. I'm gonna get back to you. Alright, everybody. So now that I drained the meat out, got all that oil, fat out of it, I'm gonna throw it. It's hot. Right back into the pot that I cooked it in. See all the oil that I drained out of it. Making a mess here. But there we go. Like I said earlier, first time vlogging while I cook. So it's a little hard. Alright. Now I'm going to put some tomato sauce. For you who've never seen this is a little trick. Get it open if you're having trouble. You just bang it. Twist. Bang it. Twist it. Bang it. Twist it. Bang it. Twist it. Bang it. And it should just pop off. It's nice and easy. Now, oh my God, everybody, sorry. I had to cut the camera off because I was making a crazy mess. But I added the cottage cheese. I added a whole jar of the sauce, as you can see, empty. I added about 2 of these big spoons of cottage cheese and mixed it up. It should look like this. If you never had it like this, please do me a favor and go try it because it's so good. Alright. Lasagna is looking good now. Came to a boil. I'm going to leave it there for about 5 more minutes, 10 minutes maybe. Let it soften up. Don't want to take it out. I'll get back when I'm done with that. And then we're going to get to the fun part, which is putting it all together. Stay tuned. Sorry I'm so sweaty. I don't know if you could tell. The lasagna is done. I've always put it in cold water. I don't know if you can see that. I always put it in cold water after it cooks just because it's going to go in the oven anyway so it can heat up. And the cold water makes it easier for it to touch it, you know, to line it up and to layer it. Because if not, then it's so hot, it's burning your fingers every time you try. So I usually put it in cold water. See, then I can touch it. Nice and cooled down. So it's not burning my fingers. I'm going to be using the same pot. Because, you know, we try not to dirty too much dishes. Then we got to clean up after. So I'm going to be using the same pot to cook the lasagna in the oven. And so right now I'm going to put that lasagna that I made onto like a plate. Actually, let me grab one now. Alright. Got a plate. So we're going to be putting the lasagna on there. Let me bring the plate over here to the sink actually. Rinse that off real quick. Boom. Now we're going to put the lasagna. Bang. Let me show you what we got here. We got the lasagna. Let me grab the meat. This is hot. Alright, got it. So, bang. We got the meat. We got the lasagna. We got the cheese. And we got some more sauce. Now it's time to put it together. Let me set this camera up somewhere. See if I can get you a good shot. Sorry, I'm sweating. It's hot over here, man. And we're going to get this done. Alright, everybody. So this is the best shot that I could get. I got the lasagna. Bang. Got the meat. And I got the pot that we're going to be putting it in. Got the cheese. And the sauce. Let me stop wasting your time and get this done. Alright, so first we're going to make a layer of, on the bottom. We're going to put 1, 2. Let me hear. Everybody, sorry. The camera died, so I had to finish the food a little bit because I didn't want it to get too cold, but here how it looks before I put it into the oven. Hold on. Turn this light on. Oh. Bang. Sorry, I'm sweating. Here we go. Bang. Here we go. And now I'm going to throw it in the oven. I'll get back to you when it's done. Alright everybody, let me grab this food out the oven. It's pretty hot. Grab my handy rag. Hey everybody! Here we go. Now this is the food. Y'all ready? Here we go. That's the lasagna. The big boy. Alright. Now let's get it sliced up for you. Alright everybody. Let me show you how luscious and good it is. Hopefully it looks good when I cut it. Grab a nice little middle piece. Bang, 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 bang. Go in through the spatula. Scoop it. Oh, hold on. Not. Bang. That's how I make my lasagna. Learn from. Hey everybody, I just want to give a big thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I didn't take too much of your time. And I hope that you want to go and try out this recipe as well. I hope if you're young, you ask an adult to help you. And if you're an adult, I hope you enjoy it. Cook it. Give it your best. Add your own recipe to it. Make it your own. That's what I do. I enjoy it the way I make it. Maybe you enjoy it a different way. But thank you again for watching. Please go down below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell, turn on your notifications, and also do a comment. Leave a comment on new videos. I got a list here of upcoming videos coming soon. So please, please, please don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button. Press that bell so you'll be first to know when anything new comes out. And you know what? If we could reach 100 subscribers by June 7th, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm going to figure it out. It's going to be for you. Whoever comments down below, subscribes, and hits that bell, comment it down below so I will pick you for the giveaway. So please, please, please help us reach 100 subscribers by June 7th. Let's get it, get it, get it.